Hey everybody, once again, Richard here with EduData Consulting. I recently received a question regarding my Event Manager Google Workspace add-on, which is intended to manage event requests, approvals, and all of the supports that go along with your event requests. The question was, how can people outside of our domain submit an event request? And clearly, as an internal add-on, you would need to be a member of the domain and have the add-on installed to be able to use the Event Manager add-on. But that's not to say that's the only way to collect data for an event request. So I developed a companion form for the event request to fit that role using Google Forms. So Google Forms can be very easily made open to the public. So that means others do not need to be a part of your domain to submit an event request. And I wanted to share what that looks like. So I have here Event Manager open, and if I were to fill this out and submit, the event request would appear on the event request calendar. So similarly, if I just go to this external event form, so maybe we're renting out a space for a wedding, and let's see, what day should we put this on? Saturday the 8th. Okay, so we'll pick August 8th, and we're just going to book the whole day from 8 a.m. We're going to go to 5 p.m. and to celebrate a very special couple. Okay, and we're going to expect about 75 people in attendance. This, we don't have to share information about that. I'm going to be organizing it, and this is where I would put in my own email, right? That's not part of this domain, but in this case, I'm going to use this one so we can see the emails that come back. Even though this is part of the domain, but this literally could be anybody's email address. We're going to do it in building 1 because we know that's where the cool space for the wedding is. We choose the exact rooms we're going to be needing to reserve. And then, do I need tech support? Well, I'm just going to go ahead and click yes, and then I can describe what kind of tech support I need. So help projecting a slideshow. And then we're going to have outside catering. It's the same deal. If I said yes, I would describe the type of catering. I'll click no here. Do you need help setting up? Yes. And then, tablecloths on all the tables, ... and whatever the other setup instructions. Now, it doesn't have to be fully comprehensive here. Things could be added later, but you get the idea. And then there's an opportunity to share any other additional details that will appear in the description of the calendar event. And I can just put none, and then I'll hit submit. And now it says it's been recorded. Now, what's happened is there's a trigger, an on-form submit trigger that will process this request from the account that hosts that script, right? So we can see already that request has made it onto the event request calendar, and whoever is kind of the approver of these types of events simply clicks on the request, and then using the event manager can then select a destination calendar for the event and approve the event. So there you have it, and thanks for watching. Bye.